Alright guys, so you can pause the video and give this one a try, and then you can resume for the solution. So the question tells us, let P be an interior point of a right-angled isosceles triangle ABC with hypotenuse AB. Right-angled hypotenuse triangle is having AC equal to BC and the base angles as 45 degrees each. Needless to say, this angle will be 90 degrees. That's how we have a right-angled isosceles triangle. AB is the hypotenuse. Now, if I suppose call these sides as x, the perpendicular sides as x, the hypotenuse will be root 2x. We have discussed this concept already, guys, that in an isosceles right angle triangle, the ratio of this perpendicular sides and the hypotenuse is 1 is to 1 is to root 2. So if I take these sides as x each, the hypotenuse shall be root 2x, right? If the perpendicular distance of a point P from each of AB, BC and CA is 4 times root 2 minus 1 centimeters, then the area in square centimeters of the triangle ABC is. Type in the answer question. Very superb question, very simple also. So let's see how we deal with this. Guys. If P is having equal distance from the sides of the triangle, then P is obviously the in center for the triangle, right, guys? So I can construct the in circle and the center of this will be point P. They are saying P is equidistant from the three sides. So obviously, as we discussed, P is the in center and the distance of the in center from any side of the triangle is the in radius. So this 4 times root 2 minus 1 is the in radius for this given isosceles right angle triangle. Now we have to find out the area of the triangle ABC. If I've called the sides as x, the area of the triangle ABC will be half into product of the perpendicular sides x and x. This area can also be found as in radius into semi-perimeter. The semi-perimeter in this case will be x plus root 2x, the whole thing divided by 2. So the other way of finding out the area of the triangle ABC is in radius r into semi-perimeter x plus root 2x upon 2. That's 2x plus root 2x divided by 2. These two are the formulae for the same area of the triangle. Now equating the two, we can observe that the left hand side is half into x. So you can write it as x square upon 2 is equal to, in radius r we have been already given in the question, right? So r, in place of r, I'll put 4 times root 2 minus 1. And then the remaining part will be, I can just take like root 2x common. So if I take root 2x common, what remains inside is root 2 plus 1 upon 2. So we can cancel out the upon 2 on both sides and the x on both sides. Now x is nothing but 4 times root 2 minus 1 into root 2 plus 1 is like a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So 4 into root 2 square minus 1 square is 4 into 2 minus 1. That is 4 into 1. That's 4. So the value of each perpendicular side of this isosceles right angle triangle is worth 4. Now the area required is half into base into height. So half into 4 into 4, that is 8. And that's the answer to our question. The area of this isosceles right angle triangle is 8 square centimeters.